Welcome to class 3 subject science. The name of the topic is Introduction to Matter. Yes, now before starting this, I just want to tell you what is the meaning of matter. Matter is everything around us, including the air, is made of matter. So let it be anything. Can you see in this picture? There are so many living things as well as non-living things. Everything is made up of matter. So the meaning of matter is anything which has weight, and occupies space is known as matter. Yes, what is matter? Anything that has weight and occupies space is known as matter. Another definition is anything that takes up space and has mass. Mass means what? It is weight. Mass means weight. So you can see here in these pictures, there are so many things. Everything is made up of matter. All living and non-living things. Did you understand? Yes. The table on page 2. There is one activity here. You have to collect sand, water, wood, steel spoon, towel, water bottle and eraser. Why we are doing this activity? Because you have to just touch and feel how they are. If you touch sand, how do you feel? It is very rough. Then what about water? Water is what? In a form of liquid. Does water have color? No, it does not have color. Does it have odor? Odor means smell. Does water smell? No. So water is in the form of a liquid. It does not have any color and odor. Then what about wood? When you touch wood, how do you feel? It is very hard. Yes, and also it is very rough. Then what about steel spoon and plate? They are also very hard and they look shiny. Then towel, what we are using? Towel is also rough and it is made up of cotton. So things depend upon the material with what they are made. Then we have water bottle. How does the water bottle feel? If you touch it, you rub your hand over that, it is smooth. But if you press it, it is very hard. Yes. Then what about eraser? Eraser, when you press, it is little soft than other materials and also it is flexible. It will not break when you are erasing. Yes. So depending upon the things, we make so many other things. Like for example, from wood, we make furnitures. Yes, from water bottle we cannot make furniture. We have to take particular thing to make a particular material. So a particular material is taken to make a particular thing. And from plants also we get so many useful things. From plants, what are the things we get? Wood, rubber, cotton and jute. And also we get eatables like fruits and vegetables. So all these are made up of matter because they have weight and also they occupy space. Then from animals. From animals, what are the things we get? We get silk, we get wool and also we get leather also from animals, and from that leather we make purses, then shoes, and so many other jackets, all are made from leather. Yes, this is a picture of silk. Now silk is also made from animals. That is, can you see there is a butterfly here? This is called a silk moth. This will lay eggs and then there is a procedure for that, and after that cycle silk is made. So silk also we get it from animals. So these are all the things we get from plants and animals. Yes, and also we get so many things from the earth. Like for example, rocks, metals, coal, clay and glass. Why glass is we are getting from earth? Because it is made from sand. Yes. Now one more thing, there is one activity on page 3. So matter has weight and occupies space. So this we are going to learn now from this activity. Can you see air? No, you cannot see air, but you can feel it. Yes, you can feel air, but you cannot see air. But does air occupy space? That we will find out with this activity. Yes. First thing is you take an deflated balloon. Deflated balloon means a balloon which does not have air in it. Okay. That is called deflated balloon. Then you take another balloon which you are filling with the air. Okay. That is called inflating. Okay, you inflate air inside the balloon. Then what happens? The balloon which was without air, now when you are filling it with air, it is increasing in its size. That means air is occupying the space inside the balloon. So the balloon has increased in size. Did you get me? Then tie up the balloon so that the air does not escape. Yes, and then take a scale or a stick and tie both the balloons on either side. Okay, then you can see that the balloon which is not having air in it, okay, will go upwards, and the balloon which has air has come down. Now why that has gone up and this has come down? Because anything which is heavy will come down. So with this experiment we prove that air has weight or mass. So that means air also occupies space and it has got mass. So it is a matter. Yes, now you can see we will go to 3 states of matter. The 3 states of matter are solids, liquids and gas. Okay, solid, liquid and gas. What are the 3 states of matter? Solid, liquid and gas. Okay, now solids are anything which is very hard. Okay, that is for example pen, book, eraser. They are hard and they are having a definite shape. Okay, they are having a definite shape. They will not change their shape. For example, if you are having your pencil, unless you sharpen your pencil, the shape of the pencil will not change. Okay, so solids are having definite shape and they have a definite size. That is the property of solid. Then another property of solid is solids do not flow. That is, they cannot be poured into another container. Okay. Now for example, you keep a book on the table. The book will stay on the table unless you move it somewhere else. Okay. It will not flow and go somewhere. So solids do not flow. Okay, and they cannot be poured into any other container. Did you understand? This is the property of solids. Next we will go to property of liquids. Liquids do not have a definite shape. They take the shape of the container in which they are kept. For example, you can take some juice or milk or water. They are all liquids. Okay, does water has its own shape? No. If you take a glass, you pour water into the glass, it will take the shape of the glass. Yes, if you pour the same water into a jug, it will take the shape of the jug. Okay, so liquids do not have a definite shape. Okay, they will take the shape of the container. Liquids flow easily and can be poured into containers. Okay, see, when you are standing in a place, if you pour water, it will not stay in one place. As you are pouring, it will keep flowing to the lower surface. Understood? Next we will go to the properties of gases. Gases do not have a definite shape, same like liquids. They also take the shape of the container, and gases flow. They fill up the entire space available to them. Like for example, the air around you. Yes, now you can know that if you are in a classroom, the whole air is spread inside the classroom. Okay, so in the same way, when you are outside in the garden, the whole space is covered with air. So air also does not have a definite shape. They also flow.